time, everybody. Let me turn this mic down just a little bit. I hope you are doing all right this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check out DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube, Patreon channel members. We appreciate you. Alrighty, guys. Here's what we got. We have got a 2x8 custom build that belonged to a gentleman. It was blowed up. It's a custom builder. It's a good build. It's nice. It was blowed up, and the guy sent it to me. I fixed it. I put him one transistor in it. Now, as you requested, I unhooked your 2-pill section. But I'm going to leave it all sitting right there, and you'll have it if you ever need it. So it can be hooked right back up, and made it a straight 8. So I changed that pill, that resistor, retuned it all, retuned the input tune. Got you all set up, man. Your little 8 pills doing a good deal. Straight 8 now. The gentleman that brought this in, I noticed you had a funky address on your box. I seen you said a note, it didn't have the address on it. I got your name. I'll try to pull the note out, see if I can contact you. But if you see this box, this video come up, you can go ahead and take and drop me a message and make it easier. It's not gonna be a real big deal. Like I said, one pill. The transistors look pretty good in it, so I just changed the one that was blowed, trying to save you some money. When there's just one blowed like that, an odd section, and they look good, I'll go ahead and change one. Now, if you had one blowed over here, one over here, and 2 or 3 different sections, it would have been a different ballgame. But since there was just one blowed, one pill, I thought, well, we'll do that. We'll shoot for that. Alrighty, guys. Oh, I did, forgot that. I did add electrolytics to it, too. Give you a little more power. Let's do our straight through SWR. Straight through SWR, worldwide, 45 watts, 0. I don't know if that cord's in front of the camera, it's not. Worldwide, get on down, 1, 2, 3. My little 99, let's get on down. Turn him on, straight 8, radio drive. Hello, worldwide, 786, some change, 809, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, audio. You can let your bird as your output reflect. But 1, 2, 3. Input reflect over there. Input SWR is good. Let's hit our little driver here. My 2 pills on 12 volts. They're probably about 280 into it. Hello, 1700, some change. Look at the bird. PP. 2500, top scale, 1015. Hello, 16 on the bird. 1, 2, 3, getting on down. Repaired, fixed, ready to go again. Go over here and go to the outdoor dummy load. I will throw the cabinet lid back on this to get the fans going before I pack it up. Output on the LP driven. Hello, worldwide. That's on the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Load, where they say you can't get a good SWR with HG pill and all that stuff. Beg to differ. Worldwide. Go radio drive. You gotta watch these LPs. They do LP things. Hello, 792 with the radio drive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get on down. Get on down. The SWR's good. There she is, buddy. She's all fixed up, ready to go. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a few repairs. I interrupted myself. I did get that cabinet in from Mr. TH, the 2x8 cabinet, so I got to build it. And some things, but we're getting there. May do some repairs for some of these guys that got several amps over here. I may do like one of your main amps or whatever and get it out to you to make sure you get it before I go on vacation. But we're doing what we can. We'll work them down. Alrighty, guys. Would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. DonkeyStomper.com. Alright, guys. I appreciate you. Y'all take care. Your friend and team, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.